thunderstorm warning for northwest of Lincoln County in southeast South Dakota, Minnehaha County in southeast South Dakota, northeast of Turner County in southeast South Dakota, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
There's an inflow notch on that.
At 50 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour.
Folks, in Sioux County and Iowa, you need to be weather aware up there, because weather spots have reported a funnel cloud near. It doesn't say where, but the storm that's capable of producing tornado was located near Ashton. And to get this, it's moving incredibly quickly, northeast at 55 miles per hour. That's the storm you need to watch. There's a classic hook. That thing blew up fast.
We don't have any confirmation of anything going on the ground other than the report of a funnel cloud here, but this whole area where you see this red box, that is where a tornado warning is in effect, just to the south of the Sioux, Iowa area. This is the Minnesota border right here, so this storm will be moving into Nobles County if it does continue to move in a northeasterly direction up to the tip of, well, here's Worthington, so just to be the very far tip of Nobles County. But this storm is looking pretty strong. We've got a lot of rotation picked up on this, and when we say rotation, what we're looking at is a spin at radar level, and frequently this is the type of storm that does produce a tornado. Already has produced a funnel cloud, so a tornado warning.
Someone shot me for a tornado was imminent. What's that?
South to the east of Sibley, Iowa. That is going on in northwest Iowa. Storms continue to approach the Sioux Falls area. In fact, let's take a look at our sky cam here, shall we?
Let's see what's going on up there.
Just to the west of Sioux Falls, this is looking out toward Interstate 29 here in the foreground. We do see